Всем привет! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Russian for Beginners with Marina. Today we're going to ask how someone is doing, and we're going to do it in a formal situation, such as a conversation in a business meeting, at a university, campus, or simply at work. Let's start with the questions. When we want to ask someone how they are doing, we will say «Как у вас дела?» Как у вас дела? See what we did here. We took the question «Как у тебя дела?» that you already know and substituted this part «у тебя» with «у вас», which is a formal way of saying «How are your things?» Как у вас дела? And actually, that is it. We don't have that many variations of asking this question in a formal environment. Instead, let's take a look at how we can answer. Well, firstly, if we are asked that question in a formal situation, it is not as genuine. So, 99% of the time, you will need to say that everything's good at your end. But there are several ways of doing so. 1. You can lead with «хорошо», good. But it would be better if you added a thank you to the end and say good, thank you. Хорошо, спасибо. Хорошо, спасибо. You might also say все хорошо, everything's good. Все хорошо, where все means everything and хорошо, of course, means good. It is very common to say все в порядке, everything's okay, or literally, everything's in order. Все в порядке. Все в порядке. This expression can even become a question if you want. You can ask someone, «Все в порядке?» Is everything okay? And depending on your intonation here, you can sound concerned or just inquiring. «Все в порядке?» «Все в порядке?» Another very common way of answering the question is «Как всегда», as always. «Как всегда». «Как» means how or as. «Всегда» means always. You can even go one step further and say everything is as always. Try doing so now. Все как всегда. Super! As we mentioned, in a business environment, this question «Как у вас дела?» is usually just a conversation starter and not a genuine question. So, actually, you do not need to ask it back. If you wanted to, though, you could say «А у вас?» and how about you? «А у вас?» But do not really expect a response. You might just get a nod. Which is totally acceptable. That is it for today's lesson. До скорого! Всем пока!